you may well be wondering how to store those symbols, like the railway sleepers that you see here that are going to be embedded in gravel in this design, and the rubbish bins and other symbols, and even the car symbol here that's got a solid background to it. These are symbols that the designer here has developed. How do you store those in your computer system so that you can use them in future work? Well, one way to do that is to click on Library and Plants and come down to this MySymbols link. What that does is take you to a folder. In this case, I've got the folder called Stately on my C drive, and under there are some subfolders. So if I want to look at or store my details, I can click in here. Here's one for a 5,000 litre underground tank, the elevation view of it, and here's a 10,000 litre underground tank. Under architectural, there are some solar panels that we can load into a drawing. So this designer is storing all sorts of details that are developed for his particular practice. Here are some symbols that he likes to use. Under site furniture, here are the wheelie bins that we mentioned earlier. So a folder on your C drive is a really good repository for all sorts of things like drawing sheets. Here's the drawing sheet with the logo in it, so it becomes really easy to lift up some of your own personalised design files that you've created using gCADPlus. The advantage of putting them on, in this case, the C drive in their own particular folder, is that if you have to move your copy of gCADPlus to a brand new computer, then all you need to do is lift or store or copy the, in this case, Stately folder and all the other drawings that you've done for clients. You need to lift those, put them on a storage device, upgrade your new computer, install a fresh copy of gCADPlus, and then copy back this folder, and away you go. The location of the MySymbols folder is controlled under Tools and Set Library Paths. So you can see here I've set under Plants, MySymbols, the location of that site. So you can do that and work on it in a way that suits you. I think that's a preferable way because all of the existing symbols in gCADPlus are all still there and you can access them in every way. And if we do release new versions of gCADPlus, we would hope to add symbols to it. So don't forget the palettes download folder where we pop single drawings containing lots of other design elements, and you can download those, and if you want to use those, put them in your own localized C column folder. So I hope that gives you a better idea of how to use the library MySymbols folder. We're toying with the idea, maybe in a future version, of lifting the MySymbols location and put it up in the library alongside the level of designs. But one of the things we've been extremely cautious about in the development of gCADPlus is we want the interface to stay exactly the same as it's been in all releases. One of the most frustrating things for us is using software, downloading an upgrade, new version, and everything moves around and you can't find what you were able to find in an earlier version. Programmers just seem to love to move things around for their own edification. So we hope that the MySymbols folder is a useful link for you.